In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint step by step. Whether you're brand new to PowerPoint or just need a quick refresher, by the end, you'll know how to build a clean, professional presentation from scratch. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint. When the Start screen loads, you'll see options for templates, but we'll keep it simple and choose a blank presentation. Starting blank makes it easier to learn the core tools, and you can always apply a template later. Before we create anything, get familiar with the interface. At the top is the ribbon, your toolbox for everything you'll do. You'll switch between tabs like Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, and Animations depending on the task. On the left, the Slides pane shows a vertical list of your slides so you can navigate and rearrange them. The center is the main slide area where you actually design and edit your content. Let's add a new slide. Go to the Home tab and click New Slide. Pick a layout that matches your content, like title and content for a typical slide or blank if you prefer to build from scratch. You can repeat this as many times as needed and mix layouts throughout your deck. To add and format text, click inside a text box and start typing. Highlight your text to change font, size, color, or alignment from the Home tab. If a text box isn't in the right spot, click and drag it to move it, or use the handles to resize. Keep text concise and increase line spacing if it feels crowded. Now add visuals. Go to the Insert tab to bring in pictures, shapes, icons, charts, or smart art. Place the item on your slide and adjust its size and position. Use the alignment guides that appear to keep elements tidy. With images selected, check the picture format options to refine the look. Give your deck a consistent style with a theme. In the Design tab, choose a theme that matches your message. Themes unify colors, fonts, and backgrounds across all slides, and you can apply variants for subtle changes. To control how slides move from one to the next, select a slide and open the Transitions tab. Pick an effect like fade or push and adjust the duration. Subtle transitions usually look most professional. Animations bring focus to key points. Select the text or object, open the Animations tab, and choose an entrance like Appear or Fly In. Use them sparingly so the content remains clear and the pacing stays smooth. When you're ready to present, go to the Slideshow tab and choose from beginning or press F5. Use your arrow keys or mouse to navigate at a comfortable pace. Finally, save your work. Click File, then Save As. Pick a location, name your file, and click Save. Save regularly as you build. And that's how you use Microsoft PowerPoint step by step. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.